Have you heard of Taxamo pill? It is one of the most commonly prescribed antibiotics in India, trusted by doctors for treating bacterial infections. Taxamo contains cefixime, which is a third-generation cephalosporin antibiotic. It is manufactured by Alkem Laboratories, a leading pharmaceutical company in India. Cefixime belongs to the class of beta-lactam antibiotics, which work by interfering with the bacterial cell wall. Without a proper cell wall, bacteria cannot survive, and they eventually die. This makes cefixime highly effective against a wide range of bacterial infections. Taxamo is available in several forms. For adults, it comes as tablets of 200 mg and 400 mg. For children, there is a dispersible tablet and an oral suspension, which makes it easier to administer to young patients. The price of a strip of 10 tablets of 200 mg usually ranges between 180 rupees to 220 rupees, but prices can vary depending on the pharmacy and region. So, when is Taxamo prescribed? It is commonly used for respiratory tract infections such as pneumonia, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Ear infections like otitis media. Urinary tract infections, including cystitis. Typhoid fever, caused by Salmonella typhi. Certain sexually transmitted infections, like gonococcal infections. Cefixime works by blocking the synthesis of the bacterial cell wall. This action is bactericidal, meaning it kills bacteria rather than just stopping their growth. Its third-generation cephalosporin nature gives it enhanced activity against gram-negative bacteria, making it more effective in severe infections. While Taxamo is generally safe when used under medical supervision, it can have some side effects. The most common ones include diarrhea, nausea, abdominal discomfort, and mild skin rashes. Rarely, some patients may experience allergic reactions, so it should be avoided in people with penicillin or cephalosporin allergies. Overuse or self-medication can also lead to antibiotic resistance, which is a growing global concern. It is important to take the full prescribed course of Taxamo, even if symptoms improve early. Stopping antibiotics too soon can allow bacteria to survive and develop resistance, making future infections harder to treat. For children, the suspension should be measured carefully using a proper dosing spoon or syringe to ensure correct dosage. Taxamo is usually taken once or twice daily, depending on the infection and doctor's advice. It can be taken with or without food, though taking it with food may reduce stomach discomfort. In patients with kidney issues, the dose may need adjustment because cefixime is primarily excreted through the kidneys. Remember, antibiotics like Taxamo only work against bacterial infections, not viral infections such as the common cold or flu. Misuse can harm your health and contribute to the problem of antibiotic resistance in your community. In summary, Taxamo is a reliable, widely used antibiotic for bacterial infections. It is effective, easy to administer, and has a broad spectrum of activity. However, its safe use requires following the doctor's prescription, completing the full course, and being aware of possible side effects. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any antibiotic. This is Pharmaverse, simplifying pharmacology and medicine for you. Stay informed.